Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on MacBook Air M4. To do it, click on Command Shift and 5 on your keyboard. Command Shift 5 and it'll open this toolbar. Now you can select either record entire screen or record selected portion. In the selected portion, of course, you can change the selection however you want. I'm gonna leave it on the entire screen. Then I also recommend reviewing the options. Here you can select where to save it to. The timer, so it'll, for example, begin in 5 seconds, in 10 seconds, or just immediately. Then the microphone, if you set it to none, then there will be no microphone sound, only the system sounds. So I'm gonna set it to MacBook Air microphone, and I'm gonna leave it as it is right now here. And let's click on record. Now, you maybe need to wait 3 seconds, and it'll just start recording. You can do whatever you want on your laptop, and everything will be recorded, of course. Then, as you're done, click on this button. It'll stop the recording. Now you can either click on it or just slide it to the right or wait. It'll be saved in the destination. Now you can see this is my... You can see that my recording is done. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.